Introducing the KMC Smart Plug Slim 4-Pack, the ultimate smart home starter pack. With these low-profile Wi-Fi outlets, you can easily control your lights and devices from anywhere in your home. No more hassle of manually switching them on or off. The free KMC Smart app takes automation to a whole new level. Set conditions such as time, sunrise, sunset, weather, and device status to automatically control your connected devices. Imagine coming home to a well-lit house without lifting a finger. We understand the importance of compatibility, which is why our smart plugs seamlessly integrate with Alexa and Google Assistant. Simply say, "Alexa," or "Hey Google," to voice control your lights and devices. No additional hub required. Worried about blocking the other outlet? Don't be. Our slim and sleek design ensures that you can still use the adjacent socket without any inconvenience. Safety is our utmost priority. Rest assured that our smart plugs are all ETL certified, meeting the highest electrical standards. With electrical ratings of 15A, 125 volts, 60 Hz, and 1875 W, you can trust in their performance and durability. We believe in providing exceptional customer service, which is why our US-based technical support team is always available to assist you. Plus, our smart plugs come with a lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. Upgrade your home to a smarter and more convenient living space with the KMC Smart Plug Slim 4-Pack. Get yours now and experience the future of smart home automation. For more information on this product, please visit the link provided in the description.